विप्रलम्बरसाम्बुधे पादाम्बुजायते नमः।
नमो भक्ति विनोदाय सच्चिदानंद नामिने।
नमो भक्ति विनोदाय सच्चिदानंद नामिने।
मूल शक्ति स्वरूपाय कृपानुगवरायते।
वरशक्ति स्वरूपाय कृपानुगवरायते।
गौराविर्भवो
निर्देष्टा सजन प्रिया।
वैष्णव सर्वभौम जगन्नाथायते नमः।
वैष्णव सर्वभौम जगन्नाथायते नमः।
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यो एव च।
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च।
पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः।
पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः।
नमो महामदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते।
नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते।
कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतीश नमः।
कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरतीशे नमः।
हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते।
हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते।
गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधाकांत नमस्ते।
गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधाकांत नमोस्तुते।
तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी।
तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी।
वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये।
वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये।
वृंदावने तुलसी देवै प्रियाय केशव सचा।
वृंदावने तुलसी देव्याय प्रियाय केशवस्य च।
कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः।
भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः।
कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद गदाधर शिव सदि गौर भक्त
Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda
Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda
Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Jai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol,
Jai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
What time is it?
7:57. Almost 8 o'clock.
Still not. You are expecting any more? Okay, I can continue a little bit. Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Bihari
Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Kunja Bihari.
Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Bihari
Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Kunja Bihari.
Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Girivaradhari Jaya Girivaradhari
Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha, Jaya Girivaradhari, Jaya Girivaradhari.
Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Girivaradhari Jaya Girivaradhari
Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha, Jaya Girivaradhari, Jaya Girivaradhari. Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Kunja Bihari.
Jaya Kunja Bihari
Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Kunja Bihari. Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Kunja Bihari. Yashodanandana Brajanana Ranjana,
Yashodanandana Brajajamarana
Yashodanandana Brajana Ranjana,
Yashodanandana Brajajamarana
Yashodanandana Brajana Veera Vanachari Veera Vanachari Jaya Radha Jaya Jaya Radha Jaya Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Bol, Hare Bol, Hare Bol.
Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol.
Hare Bol, Hare Bol, Hare Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol.
Namaste Narasimhaya.
Namaste Narasimhaya.
Namaste Narasimhaya.
Namaste Narasimhaya.
Dala dala dadaine. Dala dala dadaine. Hiranyakashi Purvakshaha. Hiranyakashi Purvakshaha. Silatam Purnakalaye. Silatam Purnakalaye. Bharata Singha, Bharata Singha. Bharata Singha, Bharata Singha. Yato yato jami tato nishinha. Yato yato jami tato nishinha. Hare Nishinha, Hridaye Nishinha. Hare Nishinha, Hridaye Nishinha. Hare Nishinha, Hridaye Nishinha. Nishinha Madi Sharanam Prapade. Nishinha Madi Sharanam Prapade. Sarvakara Kamala Vare Nakham Adhita Singam. Dalito Hiranyakashipu Tanubhinna. Keshavadhita Narahari Rupa. Jai Jagadish Hare, Jai Jagadish Hare, Jai Jagadish Hare.
Avakara Kamala Hare Nakham Maruta Sringa Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubhinna Keshavadhita Hari Rupa, Jaya Jagadish Hare, Jaya Jagadish Hare, Jaya Jagadish Hare.
Japa kamala mare nakham adbhuta sundam Lalito hiranyakashipu anubhinna Keshavadhita Narahari Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare Jai Jagadish Hare Jai Jagadish Hare
Abhakara Kamala Hare Naka Adhuta Sringa Jari Jari Ranyakashipu Anubhinna Keshavadhita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare
Jaya Nishingadev Jaya Nishingadev Jaya Nishingadev Jaya Nishingadev
Jaya Nrsimhadev Jaya Nrsimhadev Nrsimhadev Jaya Nrsimhadev
Bhakta Prahlad Jaya Bhakta Prahlad Jaya Bhakta Prahlad Jaya Bhakta Prahlad
Jaya Bhakta Prahlad Jaya Bhakta Prahlad Bhakta Prahlad Jaya Bhakta Prahlad
Gurudev Jaya Gurudev Jaya Gurudev Jaya Gurudev
Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva
Jaya Bhakti Pramodo Puri Goswami Bhakti Pramodo Puri Goswami
Bhakti Pramoda Puri Goswami Bhakti Pramoda Puri Goswami
Jaya Bhakti Gauranga Vaikhanad Goswami Bhakti Gauranga Vaikhanad Goswami
Bhakti Gauranga Vaikhanad Goswami Bhakti Gauranga Vaikhanad Goswami
Jaya Bhakti Daito Madhava Goswami Bhakti Daito Madhava Goswami
Bhakti Daita Madhava Goswami Bhakti Daita Madhava Goswami
Jaya Bhakti Rasa Siddhara Goswami Bhakti Rasa Siddhara Goswami
Bhakti Rakshaka Siddhara Goswami Bhakti Rakshaka Siddhara Goswami
Jaya Bhakti Prajnana Kesava Goswami Bhakti Prajnana Kesava Goswami
Bhakti Prajnana Keshava Goswami Bhakti Prajnana Keshava Goswami
Jaya Bhakti Vedanta Swami Goswami Bhakti Vedanta Swami Goswami
Bhakti Vedanta Swami Goswami Bhakti Vedanta Swami Goswami
Jaya Bhakti Hridaya Guna Goswami Bhakti Hridaya Guna Goswami
Bhakti Hridaya Vana Goswami Bhakti Hridaya Vana Goswami
Jaya Bhakti Kusuma Sumana Goswami Bhakti Kusuma Sumana Goswami
Bhakti Kusuma Sumana Goswami Jai Bhakti Kusuma Sumana Goswami
Jaya তীর্থ গোস্বামী
Bhakti Vilasa Tirtha Goswami Bhakti Vilasa Tirtha Goswami
जय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद
Jai Jai Prabhupada Jai Prabhupada Jai Prabhupada Jai Jai Prabhupada
जय भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद
Jai Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada
जय गुरु परंपरा गुरु परंपरा गुरु परंपरा गुरु परंपरा
Guru Parampara Guru Parampara Guru Parampara Guru Parampara
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Nitai Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol
Jai Gora Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol
Nitai Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol
Jai Gora Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Jai Gora
Street is very small. Vandeham Shivuram Sujuto Padakamalam Sri Gurum Vaishnavanscha Sri Rupam Shagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatham Mitam Tam Sajivam Sadaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Pada Sahagana Lalita Shri Shakhatamischa Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Everybody.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda
Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Again. Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Raise your hand, chant Muhammad with me. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Again, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Raising hand means
surrender.
surrender.
Symptom of surrender.
The symptom of surrender, not surrender.
Symptom of surrender.
The surrender. Why? Why we feel to surrender? When we feel to surrender? When we are completely failure, right? Because first our tendency to apply our best in the air. But we are not able to, like police chasing us. We are rushing. We are just running. Police covering, arresting. So many police around. Then he surrender, right? Similarly, we are trying our best to make ourselves eternally happy, right? But we become failure. We immigrate from India to here, right? Trying to be happy, but not feeling happy, right? All our understanding best, we are applying our best intelligence to become happy. Or everything become failure. Someone thinking to eat meat, right? Hey, that makes me happy, right? Healthy, happy. If to eat meat and make my life eternal, then I can also eat meat. If you eat meat, that also make you have to die. If you are not eating meat, also you have to die. So better to follow the Krishna's law. That is Krishna's philosophy. Patrang pushpang phalam toyang. Offering leaves. Whatever you offer me, that is this. patra, leaves, pushpa, flower, fruits, phala. Tuyang, water, milk, that. Just why you have to offer? Because those are living entities. If you offer to Lord, Lord prescribes, offer me. Then I will deliver them. Then there is no harm. They will deliver, they will be happy with you because of your hunger. Because of your hunger, they get chance to reach directly to lotus feet of Krishna. And Krishna delivered them. So we are eating only Krishna's prasad. All of you are doing so, right? Huh? So, Krishna's a surrender in every aspect, surrender to me. Then I can make you happy. Take you the place which place eternally happy. Full of happiness, full of bliss, full of love, full of peace. That we want. But we fail to get it here. So we are raising hand. Symptom of surrender. And to whom we surrender? Hare Krishna means? Hare Krishna means what? Tungavidya. You don't know? Hare Krishna means? Hare Krishna means we are meaning Radha Krishna. Hare, why Hare means Radha? Haro, if we just think about literal meaning, haro means stealing. One male person, masculine gender, when they steal, then in Sanskrit language, she says haro. And if the feminine gender stealing something, say hare. Who is this feminine gender? This is Radharani. So question is, what he steal? What is steal? Sankirtan Prabhu. What's the steal? Tungavidya, what's the steal? What Radharani is stealing? What things? Look. Krishna's heart, how system? See, God says, take one machine and take heart Krishna. No, not like that. By our service. Right? That Hare, therefore Hare. Krishna means eternally peaceful. So surrender. Actually, Hare will indicate Radharani. Radha means santosh, means satisfaction. With who Krishna more satisfied. That personification called Radha. Therefore Krishna explained in Brahma Vaivarta Puran, Momo nama satanaiva Radha nama sakrit samam. Means my 100 name, satanama. Momo nama satanaiva. Momo means mine, means Krishna says, means Krishna. Nama, my name, means Krishna's name. Shata means 100. If we chant 100 times Krishna, 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 what you will get benefit if you chant once Radha, same equivalent. Mama nama satanaiva Radha nama sakit samam. Yeah? But Radha, this name Radha is such a loving embodiment. The Radha personification is such a loving embodiment which realized souls, they are not able to pronounce, or like I am chanting Radha, I am not feeling anything. But I have seen my spiritual master when I chant Radha, his face became reddish. I saw Bhakti Raksha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj when he was chanted Radha, his also face became reddish. I heard from my spiritual master that whenever Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur used to say, or used to pronounce Radha, full of tear, and face become reddish. Why? Because spiritual Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, his feature was such a beautiful feature. Our Sridhar Goswami Maharaj composed. Oti komola kanchana dirgha tanu nindita hema mrinala madam madanar buddha bandita chandra padam pranamami sada prabhupada padam. Oti komola, soft. Oti means extremely soft body. Kanchana, golden color, gold color, soft body. Dirgha, tall, tanu body, tall body, like him, right? You are not tall. Dwarf? Not dwarf, not tall, the what? So, dirgha tanu, and then said, tanu nindito, such a beautiful golden softed color, golden color. Tanu nindito hema. Hema means mrinala. Hema means gold. Mrinala means lotus. Sanskrit mrinala means lotus. So golden lotus can be depicted by his beauty. So when he used to pronounce Radha, his tear full, his two eyes full of tear. Radhe. Mahaprabhu himself, he is Krishna with the mood of Radharani, and also chanting, and gopi, 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 and crying, faint. Shukdev Goswami never used this word Radha. Why? Because this word make him faint. Because we are not in the stage to realize the Radha Prem. Therefore, we are chanting like a parrot, Radha, Radha, Radha. But Radha is the personification whose service most attractive for Krishna. Krishna feels more attraction. And Krishna also says, without Radharani's mercy, no one can have my mercy. Vina Radha prasadena mat prasadat navidtate. If we surrender to Krishna, first of all, we have to surrender to Radha. No surrendering mood towards Radha, forget about Krishna's blessings. Radha Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mahamantra, composed such a way. First Radha, then Krishna. Anyway, so surrender, because we are really feel disgusted to make ourselves eternally blissful all our endeavor failure. Right? All our endeavor failure. We believe it. Huh? Whatever, huh? Our plan, material plan, always failure. Because always change. Today our mind like this, tomorrow mind. Today I like you, tomorrow I dislike you. Today we are telling she is my wife, he is my husband. Tomorrow same lips say, she is my ex-wife, he is my ex-husband. Changing. Material relation, everything change. So what to do? Huh? We feel disgusted. Hey Lord, hey Radhe, hey Krishna, I surrender. As soon as you surrender, then what will happen? Today morning I explained, huh? Diksha kale bhakto kare atma samarpan, then সেই কালে কৃষ্ণ তারে করে আত্মসম. During the time of initiation, devotee atmasama submission, completely submission. To whom? Entire parampara. And সেই কালে, at that time, Krishna Tare, Lord Krishna, accept him. Not individual guru. I explained today morning, right? Guru is not individual. Right? So what Guru what? Guru means Vashti Guru. Vashti Guru means compact. Huh? We have different type of place to learn something. Who is teaching us? They are our Guru. Huh? If we accumulate all Guru, Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru, we accumulate everybody, it appears Vashti, means compact Guru. Compact Guru is Krishna. Therefore, as soon as we submit or dedicate, during the time of initiation, we dedicate, right? At that time, Krishna accepts. If our dedication perfect, right? Then, because I surrender, and Guru gave us what? Guru what he say? As you do as you like, or say chant, right? Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Surrender to Radha Krishna. Radha Krishna surrender. Why? Because same reason. Because we are really feeling disgusted for illusionary energy surrounding us. We are trying our best way, according to our intelligence, we are trying the best way escaping the influence of illusion. We failure. Therefore we surrender. Am I clear? So we become failure. What is the benefit? Benefit, he says that as soon as you surrender, real manner surrender, not like a parrot. Real manner surrender. Real manner surrender means Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan. Only Guru, then Bhagavan, not a all Vaishnava. That is surrender to Krishna. Then Krishna said, Daivi Jesha Gunamayi Momo Maya Duraktaya Mame Baje Papadante Maya Metang Tarantite. You know the meaning, right? Daivi Jesha Gunamayi Momo Maya. Our understanding Maya is bad, right? Why Maya become bad? I think I give class now. So Maya is not bad. Krishna's certificate. Gunamayi Momo Maya. Gunamayi means? You know that. What? Govinda? You don't know. You are attending class like this, your group class. Hey, Sundaram means? Gunamayi means what? Huh?
With
Guna
qualities.
means quality. Gunamayi means all good quality. Gunamayi means actually good quality, not bad quality. Maya actually is good. Gunamayi, my daughter has so much quality. Yeah? So much quality in English, and in Sanskrit called Gunamayi. Right? So, Krishna explained, Gunamayi Momo Maya. We cannot say Krishna. Whatever Krishna established, as a devotee, we should think always, God, what He does, everything is beneficial for us. We are always blaming, why Krishna? Now I have got so many questions from different people. If Krishna is perfect, why we are suffering? He created the world, why we are suffering? Then I say, actually Krishna not make suffering. Our activities, our karma is cause of our suffering. Krishna Allah is perfect. There is no question of Krishna has discrimination. If you put your finger towards fire, if you blame Krishna, why my finger become burned? Why I am getting burning sensation? If you blame Krishna, it is intellectual or foolishness? What? I can remember, this. I was in Holland on devotee house. The devotee made arati of duties. 5 Jewish lamb, Panchapadip. This baby is a 2 years old baby, just trying to go and touch the fire. His mother trying to pull, but his father said, okay, let him go. As soon as he realized this is not for playing, realized that the real action, what is meaning to be close and touch the fire, then what happened? Really I saw in my own eyes that Krishnadas going there wants to touch. then his father said, touch again. No. So we have to realize, we have to apply. Krishna gave us intelligence. Krishna gave us intelligence or not? Or we have intelligence? Or Krishna gave us intelligence? What?
Krishna gives.
Krishna giving. Perfect intelligence. To whom he is giving? Teshang Shatato Juktanang Bhajotang Priti Purvakam. Means what? Louder, please, louder.
Those are constantly engaged.
Constantly engaged. Tesham Shatato Juktanang Bhajotang, bhajama service, to my service. Constantly engaged to my service. Priti, with love, not like as a duty. Priti means with love. Then Krishna says, Dadami buddhi yoga. I am giving them the intelligence. Therefore, whatever, because Krishna's word, whatever karma we want to make, always Krishna gave us such intelligence. If you want to be atheist, Krishna give you intelligence to become atheist. Don't think it is my intelligence. This is my logic. Krishna gave you logic. Huh? If you don't want to chant, you can see you are far from chanting. Why? Because Krishna's police is there. Who is Krishna's police?
Maya.
Maya is police. Police inspector. Allah is looking. You are really what you want. You are chanting, you don't really want Krishna. Or you want something else in the name of Krishna. He gave perfect report towards Krishna. Lord, this person, he want actually this thing, that thing, not you. So Krishna gave us bhakti, enjoyment, mukti, liberation. This is Chaitanya say. Krishna jodi chute bhukti mukti diya kabhu bhakti nadan rakhen lukaya. As soon as, according to the inspector report, who is the inspector? It's Mayadevi. Mayadevi is inspecting. Oh, you want this thing, okay, you want to come from Ukraine to Singapore, okay, go. Krishna's grace. You want this thing, go. Allah is giving. But bhakti, you make sure really you want him or not. I already explained many times. When sadhaka means practitioner, very serious. Chanting, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Then Krishna sent so many followers behind him. Many followers. So he became puffed up. So many followers. This is a trap of illusion. One type of punishment. We are thinking, no, Krishna gave us so much opulence, so much follower. But actually trap of illusion. Your mind already converted. It was going towards Krishna, but now towards opulence. Name, fame. Then ego come out. There is a word, ahankar patoner age chale. Ahankar means ego. False prestige. Paton means fallen. Age means ahead. You have to know, whenever false ego appear, false prestige appear in our heart, you have to know you already fallen. But outwardly it will appear after some time. This is called ahankar patoner age chale. So therefore, we should not think Maya is bad. Maya is perfect police inspector. She is always inspecting us and giving perfect report to Lord. Lord giving us accordingly. What is our desire? Ultimate inner desire? Sending that things. Raghunath Das Goswami, he belongs to a very rich family. But he came to Radha Kund. This explanation is this. You are such a skinny, such a weak, physically weak, when you pay obeisance, he has no power to get up. No feeling power to get up. Why? He is embodiment of renounce. Raghunather Vairagya Pasaner Nai. Pasan means stone. Vairagya means renounce. Whose renounce? Raghunathas. Renounce like a pasan, like stone. Why? Because Lord wants to test us. Many ways He wants to test us. Really you want Him or you want something else? So Mayadevi coming to us. One youth, what they want. When Haridas